Alright, we got our plasma cutter that we never use buried under here. And I got a new Pilot Arc torch on the Amazon. I'll have the link in the description. But we're gonna pull this thing out. The problem is, I bought this probably 10 years ago. It's been sitting here. I'm just constantly burning through the tips anytime I use it, and it's just such a pain to use that I never use it. So we are gonna try to swap out the torch with this Pilot Arc. So we're gonna get this thing out of here, get it on the workbench, and see what we're dealing with. Get this out of here. Hopefully I never have to look at this again. I think I should dust this off a little bit. Cleaned up enough. I want to check my welding card and see if I have a piece of this regulator laying in there. Well, we found it. It's pretty handy. I don't know if this is supposed to come apart like that. I don't believe so. So I think we might need to buy a new regulator while we're at it. Yep. Alright, while this sat for the last 10 years, it must have broke within the last 4 years, but our regulator, this little piece of plastic broke off of it. So I'm going to get some super glue and baking soda. Got our super glue. Got an acid brush. So I put some baking soda in the end of our brush. I'm going to really goop this on here around the outside. So the baking soda makes it cure out pretty much instantly. I don't know if it makes it any stronger. I would think so, since it gives some like fiber to the concoction. Okay. And then this should catch that stud. I don't know if it is or not. It's tightened it, so. Alright, we're just going to leave that like this. And we'll see if it works when we go to try it. Okay. That fits. We're going to go find the ground clamp for this. I'm going to put it in here, pull the rubber off of here. There we go. Okay, so all I'm going to do is snake, where is it? We're going to snake this wire here up into this connector and tighten it down. I'm just going to clip it, but we still have some of this metal in there. Yeah. Alright, so I got it tucked right where the screw is. We got our flush cutters. Keep these zip ties from being little razor blades to cut you up. Nice and flush. We're gonna clean a spot to put our ground clamp. Okay. Alright, we're gonna get our air hose plugged in put our safety glasses on for when the top of this just shoots straight off. I don't know what. We got 120 psi coming into it. Guess we're just gonna hit the trigger, see what happens. What the hell is that? I think I'm burning it up. What's our airflow here? The hell is 3 bar? Is that PSI? Well, whatever it is, we need more than that. That sounds like a lot more air. It lit up again. But that pilot arc was so weak, doesn't it? I don't know, we'll try it. I don't even know if the machine's hooked up right, to be honest. We're going to get out the 220 cord. Alright, hooking up to the 220. Alright. Alright, we made a mess of our consumable. I went ahead and ordered a new regulator and more consumables for the torch. Alright, we got a new regulator off of Amazon. There's a link in the description. Hopefully this one works better than the last one. We will get that put on and we'll be back. Alright. We've reached a conclusion. Failure. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, we got a new flame weld. What is it? Cut 50 DP. It's the cheapest pilot arc plasma on Amazon. About 150 bucks. Well, on Prime Day it was 150 bucks. It's normally 200. So we're going to test this out. And on the other machine, I honestly think I broke it putting the pilot arc torch on there. So your mileage may vary. I've seen videos of people putting the pilot arc torch on their non-pilot arc plasma, and it working great, and they said it's worked great for years. But yours might go up in smoke. So this is probably a better idea. Just get a new plasma. We got all of our bits here it came with. Got a hose. Air pressure regulator, same as I bought for the other one. What's in the little box? Oh, the pressure gauge, the mount for the regulator. We have the torch, a little safety on it. It's a AG60 torch. Same thing as the other one pretty much. Came with some consumables. Nipple for the airline, hose clamps. An adapter for 220. Ground cable. Alright, oh, and a little wrench. So let's get this hooked up. That's great. Half inch doesn't fit very good. Alright, I think it might be a 13 millimeter. So, we got that snugged in there. Alright, this one we got a 14 on here. Okay. So we're on 35 amps is the most you get on 110. Our post flow for how long the air keeps coming out of it is here. We'll just put it on whatever number that is. We got our torch. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah, that's definitely not what the other one was doing. Looky there. There we go. That's not too bad. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, I gotta get different shoes for doing this. I learn how to stand back. That's nice. Well, works good. So, there is your flame weld. Alright, anyways, we're gonna use this plasma to build some things on this bike. So, check out my other videos.